JDCap26 here, just do the tips and repairs and hobbies. How you guys doing today? I hope you're all hanging in there, and taking care, being safe. We got another model to do today, and get it on the bench. It's Mummy's Chariot, and this is originally made by Aurora. This one is made by Polar Lights. And just open it up. Get it taped together here. So let's see if we can open this. See what's inside. I don't remember the color of this one. The color of the plastic. I'm gonna assume white or an off gray. And get this open. It almost looks like it's glow in the dark. I don't know. Let's see, is it glow in the dark? It is glow in the dark. I didn't know that. Wow, I didn't even read the box. Look at that, glow in the dark. So, putting this together, we're not going to paint this probably much at all. You don't want to waste the glow in the dark effects. So, you're just going to put it together. Here's the instructions. Polar light instructions. Pretty cool. Roy made these after the Monster series to stimulate the market, to sell more Monster kits, and they're kind of neat. I've got a few of them already made up on the shelf here, and they're quite fun to do. I've got the Frankenstein, the Wolfman's Wagon, Dracula's Dragster. I think you've seen those before. So I'm going to put this together and I'll show you what it looks like afterwards. Alright? And here's the Mummy's Chariot all done. I'll zoom out for you a little bit. And he's glowing a little bit. It's a difficult kit to do, to tell you the truth. Especially in the glow-in-the-dark pieces. There's in front of them. We omitted some parts, like the wheel. Just couldn't fit it in there. I mean, they try to stuff everything in the Chariot part, and you just can't get it in there. The wheel, steering wheel itself, getting him in there is pretty tough too. So I want to show you that. Please rate, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Have a great day, and thanks for watching.